Hi ladies, I'm Tatiana Whitlock, Director of Training for A Girl and a Gun, and in today's Training Tip Tuesday Quick Tip, we're going to address the lefties in our community and how you can go from your range bag to the bench in a known and neutral state to get yourself set up so you don't get trolled or meet RSOs the hard way. Given that, being a lefty, in order to achieve that proper grip, you're probably going to have the gun-oriented chamber down. So obviously we start our dry fire practice in the same manner to emulate exactly what we would do at the range, but home, obviously in a kitchen, but with no ammunition in our workspace or in any of our gear or on our person and any tertiary equipment. So first things first, the nice thing about our Girl and a Gun range bags is that we have a muzzle indicator arrow. So when I pack my equipment, I want to make sure I stay true to that and orient my muzzle in the same direction as the arrow. My safe direction is this way, which allows me to point the arrow and the bag in that direction, so that when I open it up, my gun is properly oriented downrange. I'm now going to grip the pistol in that proper grip 100% of the time. I have already inserted my Girl and a Gun chamber flag so that when I lay it down on the bench surface, it is known and neutral. It is inert. There's no magazine, there's no capable round in the chamber. And then I can remove my magazine, set my gear up appropriately, and then get all of my support gear away from my workspace so that I am set up to succeed. If you are going to position the pistol for a lefty and the chamber is down, we strongly recommend you utilize a chamber flag. It makes it known to everyone in your environment while you're not physically making contact with the pistol that it is in fact clear and unloaded. So while it may be one additional step, it's a small consideration, and it will also reflect on you that you are in complete and competent control of your equipment and that you know how to make sure that everyone in your environment has the confidence in you that your equipment is safe.
If you like this segment, head to our website to watch the full video. Members get access to our entire library of exclusive content. Not a member yet? Now's a great time to join.